Yasmin kept yawning during every meeting. At first, she tried hiding it behind her hand, turning away from the camera. Then her coworkers started noticing. Late night again? They'd joke. Someone needs more coffee. She'd laugh along, but something felt wrong. It wasn't just tiredness. Her body was trying to tell her something she didn't want to hear. The yawning wasn't from lack of sleep. It was her mind checking out, protecting itself from another pointless discussion about quarterly targets. Sometimes your body knows before you do. It's time to listen.